How to borrow airtime with MTN. So all that you have to do is to simply come and then dial this short code. That is the star. Okay, so after pressing on the star, simply come and then press on the 5, and then simply locate the 0 and then come and press on it. And then the last thing you have to do is to simply press on the 6 and then the hashtag as well. Okay, so press on it. So all that you have to do is to simply dial this short code star 506 hash, and then come and then locate the call sign, and then come and select where you have your MTN slots. So mine is on sim 1, so I'm going to select slot 1. And then over here, all that you have to do first is that you have to come and then check your status, okay, if you qualify to get airtime on credit, okay. So to do that, all that you have to do is to come and select option 4, and then come down here and then come and press on the send, okay. So over here, what you have to do is to simply come and then select option 1, which is the status, okay. So when you press on the 1, what you have to do is to simply come down and come and press on the send. And then if you qualify, you are going to get this message saying that you are eligible to borrow the extra time. Okay, now that you are eligible, all that you have to do is to simply come and then press the code again by pressing on star 506 hash, and then come and then press on the call sign, and then come and select the amount of extra time that you want to borrow. Okay, so I'm going to select option 2 and then come and press on the send. So after pressing on it, what you have to do is to simply come and then confirm, but you have to know that they are going to add some charges to it, which you are going to pay later. Okay, so simply come and then select the option 1 and then come and press on the send. So when you press on it, you are going to get your credits just like this. Okay, so this is how to borrow airtime on MTN. Like the video. If you have any questions at all, leave it in the comment down below and I'm going to attend to you.